Koblai Shibun, good food. Thank you, ma.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Alright, thank you very much, ma. Alright. Wow. Okay, I'm telling you one very good secret. Can I tell you one secret?
One secret.
Oh yeah, secret. So I tell you secret. When man is a lakadang.
One.
Yeah. So when man is a lakadang, man is a happy. You agree? It's good. Biang. Yes. Okay. Okay, Mo. Bye. Hello. Kublai. How are you? All good?
Good.
Okay, Mo. So, oi. Somebody is yelling there in another side. Just move a little bit for here, room around him. When man is a lakadang, man is happy only. As happy only. Oi!
Hi, bro.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, can I tell you guys a secret? One secret. When man is a lakadang, man is happy. You agree? When you lakadang, oh, biang, mo. It's
biang,
good.
biang.
Oh, biang, it's good feeling. Huh? Okay, mo. Bye.
Where you go?
I go that side now. Oh, so they could understand. When man is a lakadang, man is happy. Oi, Kongs. Upsho. I have one thing. I sit with you guys. Oh, one thing only. Okay. One thing only. Okay. I tell you one secret. One secret I tell you. When man is lakadang, man is happy.
Man is lakadang.
Lakadang. When man is lakadang, man is happy. Oh, alright, nah. You agree? When man is full, balade bam jam, mo, like that. Alright. Okay, mo. Bye. So, they agree only. Maybe I say a little bit different. I say what? I say secret. Maybe people are thinking secret. Maybe I should say like American style, like secret. It's a secret only, you know. Know what I'm saying? It's a secret only. No? Hello. How are you? I am good. How are you?
Me too, I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
Guys, can I also tell you? I tell you also one secret. Okay.
Yes.
When man is a lakadang, lakadang mo,
Lakadang.
man is happy.
Hello.
Yes.
So when